Maraming mga bahay ang nawasak, maraming mga residente doon ang inilikas sa iba't ibang evacuation center dahil nga sa
pinakamalaking trahedya na dumaan. May estudyante kami, tapos walang wala. Tapos pagka mga tahanan namin, ay nasira, mga production. Na sa mga tananim namin, yung tananim namin na wala yun eh.
Nanago sa may nagtago kami sa may dalawang kakwan. Wala kami nakaano sa bandibol, sa kami nakakuha dito na lang kami nanago sa may dalawang kakantri. Nga kami kaamon nga anak. Ang bata ko nga isa to sa Manila, tapos ang isa ko to sa Iloilo, eskwela. Tapos, balik-balik sa bala ko din nakaano ko. Na amon balay, narumpag. Tapos sabi ko, patay na kami. Hirap kami kasi wala kaming mautangan ng mga financial namin sa aming mga taniman, kagaya ng palayan, mais at saka gulayan. Tapos, nangutang na kami sa mga private traders na malaki naman yung interest. Tapos sila pa yung kumukuha ng mga produkto namin na siyempre pag may utang ka na, pag financer, mababa na yung presyo. Tapos, hirap na hirap kami kasi yung kinikita namin, tama lang sa mga interest ng utang namin. Tapos,
FIDA assists poor farmers with farm lots of only 2 hectares or less, who does not have access to formal financial services and farm facilities. It aims to increase the farmers' production output by 5% and raise their income by at least 5%. In its first phase, the community-based social preparation, farmers are organized and strengthened at the farm level. They are formed into associations and are given trainings and other capacity-building activities. Once the farmers are ready, during the production phase, beneficiaries are provided with a set of financial assistance packages: production loan, farm equipment loan, and irrigation development. With its cash payment option, farmers are provided production loans with a very low interest rate of 2%, as compared to 5 to 20% of private financiers. To caution the heavy impact of disasters, FIDA also included measures such as crop insurance and calamity assistance. When Yolanda struck, farmers benefited from these components. With this model, farmers are expected to have an increased income of 20%. After harvest, farmers through their organizations are taught how to use post-harvest machinery and facilities, such as dryers, threshers, and warehousing to improve their farming system. This reduces the possibilities of losses and increases the value of the farmer's produce. Product development is an important phase of FIDA, wherein farmers are enabled to process their palay for marketing to command a better price. In a rice facility in northern Iloilo, Farmers entrust their produce to mill their palay, stock their rice, and wait for the time when the price is favorable. With this option, farmers are expected to raise their income to 140%. The last pillar is marketing development, wherein the farm produce are linked by the program to good market which offer much higher prices.
Gumawa kami ng asosasyon sa barangay, sa Puntok, Farmers Association sa Barangay Puntok, Limere, Iloilo, na nakatulong din sa amin ng malaking tulong para sa pag-aral sa aming mga pangkabuhayan, sa kabataan. Marami pang tulong sa mga craft insurance namin, naka-avail kami ng mga craft insurance, naka-avail din kami ng mga calamity insurance. Tapos sa ngayon, mayroon na yung asosasyon namin na mayroon na kaming mga development plan para sa mga scholarship ng.
Through the partnership of PSKI with FSSI, FIDA was able to work with 522 small farmers organized in 33 farmers organizations. The program was able to expand its reach and now covers 3 provinces, 11 municipalities, and 29 barangays. In its few years of implementation, FIDA surpassed its 5% targets. The on-time application of farm inputs has significantly contributed to the 10% increase in the farmers' production. This, paired with higher selling prices and low interest rates, led to a giant leap in their income. From recurrent income losses, each farmer now has an average earning of 3,432 pesos per month.
Sa kanilang pangangailangan financial at sa na-develop namin sa kanila yung oneness, camaraderie, kasi hindi namin binitiwan yung dapat sabay-sabay tayo, dapat associations tayo, collective tayo, moving forward, individual, yan yung nakita namin. Natatouch natin yung feeling ng LGU, kaya unti-unti yung support natin, even yung mga global sa processing ng mga pangailangan, andun yung pag-party, andun talaga.